What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you guys are doing well. We're gonna go over Cardano as well as XRP. So currently we're sitting at 18 cents. Market cap 6.94 billion. 24-hour volume 934 million. So let's hop into the chart. Massive dump here. We broke this level of support. We retested and we've just cascaded down. Now eventually you are gonna see a bounce, recovery bounce. If we look for 5 waves here. Wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, potentially 5. Now, of course, you can create a lower low before bouncing. That's always possible. But I would expect eventually to see a bit of recovery, just as we did here, cascaded down, recovery bounce. So if that does happen, if the low's already in, which it may not be, we're already coming down very close to filling that wick. Then you can bounce in between 23 cents and 26 cents. But of course, we can come down, sweep the lows, stomp out the traders, the long positions before seeing that bounce. If we pop over to the daily chart, as you can see right here, we're looking to complete that wave Z of the WXYXZ pattern. And that will start to bring us down towards 17 cents. What I wanted to show you guys here, let me pop over to the weekly on Cardano. So we're going through this massive WXY correction. If we take a fib retracement from the bottom of this impulse to the top, we still haven't even reached the 61.8, which is at 12 cents for Cardano. Then you have the 78.6, which is at 5 cents. So all of this is a massive correction. Do I think we'll come all the way down to 5 cents? Possible. I don't think it's as likely as coming down towards about 8 to 10 cents, in my opinion. You have the 61.8 at about 12 cents. I think the 8 to 10 cent range, this little bit of support by October, November will hit, and then you'll see that push back to the upside. But all of this, since the high in 2021, has been corrective. This was not a bull market. It's all one big corrective structure for ADA. So in the short term, if we do bounce, you can look to take a short position from the zone, but don't be surprised if we first sweep the lows. Taking a look at XRP, we're seeing $1.17, market cap 72.91 billion, 24-hour volume 3.5 billion. So if we hop into the chart, we broke down from our falling wedge, A, B, C, D, E, into a wave 4, looking to come down to a wave 5. Now if we do bounce from here, then you can look for a short position in between $1.33 and $1.45 before continuation to the downside. Or we break a little bit lower, come up, retest this descending triangle. I don't know if I said falling wedge earlier. I'm not sure if I said falling wedge earlier, but this is not a falling wedge. It's a descending triangle. Falling wedge is a bullish pattern. So as you can see, we broke down. So if we do come a bit later, then we come up and retest it before continuation to the downside into our target zone. XRP, daily chart, wave 1 to the upside, looking to come down on the wave 2. From this low here in 2022 was a bull market into a wave 1. Now we can do the same thing, take a fib retracement all the way up to the wave 1 high, and you can see we haven't even reached the 50% retracement, which is at $1.02. I think it's likely we're going to come down towards the 61.8 by October, November, and this massive level of support, which is sitting about 76 cents. So will you get XRP under $1 once again? Yes, you will, probably for the last time ever, but I would expect to see that towards October, November, definitely coming down towards that 76 cents, potentially down to about 70 cents for a bear market low for XRP. But in the short term, if we do bounce from here, look for a short position before continuation down to complete the wave 5 and potentially start to look for a low towards October, November. But I do think you do have a ways to come down. I think at least you're going to come down to the 61.8, if not lower, at 76 cents for a bear market low. All right, gang, if you want completely free access to my trading group, take 30 seconds of your time, sign up to Bitfinex. There's absolutely 0 strings attached. Once you sign up through my link below, send me an email. I'll send you the link to my Discord, which includes my daily analysis for crypto, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, BNB, ADA, and Forex, gold, and silver. yours free with a 30-second sign up to Bitnix, no strings attached. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.